we can claim that we are very, very gender sensitive people who always promote and encourage women to come up. But yes, many things are in paper, but in reality it is always difficult. Though we are very, very, very sensitive towards these issues, but practically when it goes to field, for example, last 3 years we are struggling to match equal number of women workers, employees in the organization. I'll be happy, my dream will be fulfilled when women occupies this chair as an CEO. So I can tell that not only the lowest level, from top to bottom at all level, women excels. Till then the gender equity and equality is still a dream for us. So let us work together as an organization. Let us change within the organization first, so that will really help us to change the outside the world as well. Thank you.
On this International Women's Day, everybody tells us that the women are strong and so on. What I would like to say is women just need to be themselves, strong, weak or whatever. Happy International Women's Day.
This is to express my gratitude towards all women colleagues who work with me in this organization. I'm grateful for them.
Hi everybody. Gender equity for me is a dream that I've been working towards for more than 10 years, and I want to spend my life working towards it. I hope we don't take that long, but equity for me means equality. Equality of the opportunity for both men, women, third genders to have the choice to do what they need to do, what they prioritize to do. I want every woman to have the power to make her own decisions. I think I'm one of the lucky ones who has a voice and has had a past where I've had the support. I want to go forward, and I really want to see a world where women are the leaders. They put their health first, and that's what International Women's Day for me truly is. This is one day, but I think it should be a Women's Day every day.
Very happy International Women's Day, and I believe in myself, and I also believe that all women are capable to achieve in their own way, and let's support each other to make a gender sensitive world. Thank you.
On the International Women's Day, I want to thank and wish all our women colleagues a wonderful day. We thank you for all your efforts in helping KHPT to reach its public health goals, and your participation and your contribution has been significant in this area. The rest of us colleagues at KHPT want to thank you for all your efforts, and we look forward, even as we work together, to take things to the next level in terms of KHPT and achieving the public health initiatives that we work on. Thank you and wish you all the best and enjoy the day.
International Women's Day is something to do when each girl or each woman feels safe. You know, like for me, being someone who has a disability, for me being a woman, I'd really like if I could take a cab or use technology or do anything without the fear of someone who some man or anyone for that matter who intends to harm you or that kind of thing. So have a good day everybody. Wish you a happy International Women's Day.
Hello everyone. Every year we celebrate the March 8th as International Women's Day. This day is to celebrate women's achievement, raise awareness against the biasness, take action for equality. As a man, I pledge to challenge the gender stereotypes and the biasness exist in our community. Let us make the change together. Happy International Women's Day.
Hi everyone, wishing all a happy Women's Day scheduled on 8th of March. I think as a part of this Women's Day we should make an honest attempt to achieve gender equity.
What Women's Day signifies to me is the fact that we still need a reminder on our calendars once a year to let us know that the world's still not an equal place, and that even today women are not afforded an equal chance, whether in terms of health or in terms of economic opportunities or outcomes, or socially constructed vulnerabilities in comparison to their male counterparts. And so to me, it's a sobering reminder that we still have such a long way to go. But it also makes me optimistic just to see how far we have come. And it makes me all the more determined to join hands to help pave the road to a more equal and better tomorrow.
International Women's Day is a day when the world acknowledges women's achievements, women's contributions to the world. Hence, it's a day of celebration for me. Hoping to add more and more women achievers and getting more role models to the world. Wishing you all a happy International Women's Day.